Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will study topic 1.5 page number 8 scientific notation. So we will discuss what do we mean by scientific notation, what is the use of scientific notation and how can we express quantities using scientific notation. Okay. Now let us discuss first the definition of scientific notation, then we will discuss an example of scientific notation. Okay. Now, as the name shows, scientific, something related to science, notations mean method. So we are going to write down the values in something which is easy for us during our scientific work, during our calculations, during our numericals, okay? So in scientific notation, a number is expressed as some power of 10 multiplied by a number between 1 and 10. So what does it mean? We have to deal with very big or very small examples, very big or very small quantities, amounts in physics. Okay, so we we convert these values into a simple form, into scientific notation, using multiplier of 10. Okay, we have any number between 1 and 9, and then we are using the multiplier of 10 to express the values. Okay, so we will express, as you can see, we have a big value having 9 digits, so it will be difficult for us to memorize this value and use in calculations again and again. So we will convert it into scientific notation, which is using multiplier of 10, and we have a power, we have exponent. Okay, so this now this is a short form, this is an easy and simple way we can memorize it easily, we can use it easily in calculations and without mistake. Okay, so in scientific notation we express a number using power of 10, which is multiplied by a number between 1 and 10. Okay, why we use scientific notation? It makes easy to write the value, to memorize the value, and to handle the value in calculations. Okay, it makes it easy for us. Now as you can see, there is a value in standard form or scientific notation, and this 10 is called as base, and then we have a power exponent multiplied by any number between 1 and 10. Okay, now, I have given you some examples to understand how to express quantities using scientific notation. Okay. Now, first of all, keep this thing in mind that if there is no decimal in any amount, it doesn't mean that there is no decimal. The decimal is in the end. So move the decimal, and we can move this decimal to any place, but we will move this decimal and bring it after the first non-zero digit. The first non-zero digit is 2 here. Okay, so where is the decimal? The decimal is in the end. We move it here, it becomes 2.8, and we have jumped how many places? 5 places. 5 places we have jumped. So we will write 2.8 into 10 raised to power 5 gram. Why we have written 5? Because we have jumped how many places? 5 places. And where should we bring the decimal? Preferably we should bring the decimal after the first we should bring the decimal after the first non-zero digit. Okay, now in this next value, as you can see, there are a lot of digits. So how can a student memorize this value? And we will do mistakes in calculation, so we have to write it in simple short form scientific notation to make our work easy. Okay, so as you can see, the 0 is here. We will move this 0. We will move this decimal, and we will bring it after this first non-zero digit 7. Okay, so when the decimal will come here, it will become 7.8, and we have jumped how many places? We have jumped in 9 places. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 places. Okay, we have jumped 9 places, so we will write 7.8 into 10 raised to power 9 meter. Okay, as the decimal is moving towards left side, so we are putting a positive sign here. Okay, when the decimal moves towards left side, then the power has positive sign. Okay, now here the decimal will move towards right side. Okay, now the decimal will move towards right side, so there will be a negative sign. When the decimal moves towards right side, there is a negative sign. Okay, so we can place this decimal to any place, but preferably we place the decimal after the first non-zero digit, which is 3. It will become 3.9, and we are jumping how many places? We are jumping 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 places. So it will be 3.9 into 10 raised to power minus 7 meter. Why minus? Because decimal is moving towards right side. Now again the decimal is moving toward right side, so there will be a negative sign. Okay, and we will move this decimal after the first non-zero digit. Okay, it will become 9.8, and we are jumping how many places? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 places. So 9.8 into 10 raised to power minus 6 gram. Okay, now as you can see, this is again a big value and we cannot see a decimal over here. So where is the decimal? The decimal is in the end, and now the decimal is moving towards left side. Okay, we will bring this decimal after this first non-zero digit 3. Okay, and we are jumping how many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so it will become 3.3 into 10 raised to power 10 meter. Okay, now as you can see that there is a power present 10 raised to power 9. Okay, so 3 and here we have to bring the decimal between this 3 and 3. We have to bring decimal after the first non-zero digit. Okay, which is 3. So it will become 3.3. Okay, 3.3, and we have jumped through 2 places. So plus 2, 10 raised to power 2 and 10 raised to power 9, 10 raised to power 9, it makes 10 raised to power 11. Okay, why 11? Because there was a power present previously, and we have again now jumped 2 places, 10 raised to power 2. So plus 2 and plus 9 makes plus 11. Okay, now here I have reversed the sign with minus 332 into 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. Okay, so we will to make it in standard form, we will move the decimal from here to here. It will become 3.3, and we have jumped 2 places. Okay, so the power becomes 10 raised to power plus 2. Okay, so plus 2 and minus 9, solve it. Plus 2 and minus 9, 10 raised to power plus 2 and minus 9, it becomes minus 7 meter. Okay, let us discuss this thing the power in a more detailed way. Here there is a power 10 raised to power minus 33. Okay, so we will move the decimal after this first non-zero digit to make it in standard form. Okay, so the decimal will come here. It will become 2.4, and we have jumped 3 digits, so 10 raised to power plus 3, but there was a power present previously which is minus 33, so we will solve it. Plus 3 minus 33, it becomes minus 30. Okay, in this value again you can see the there is a the decimal is present, but and we will move it towards right side. We will bring this decimal after this first non-zero digit. Okay, to write it in standard form. Why we are moving decimal after 2? Because we want to write the value in standard form. Okay, in scientific notation. So we are jumping 2 digits. Okay, so and we are moving towards right side, so it will become minus 2. The power will become minus 2. Okay, we are jumping 2 digits and we are coming towards right side, so it will become 2.3 into 10 raised to power minus 2. Okay, and previously we had a 10 raised to power minus 3, so solve it. Minus 2 and minus 3, so the powers will be solved. Minus 2 and minus 3, it will becomes minus 5, and the base is same, then the powers are added. So minus 2 minus 3, it becomes minus 5 meter. Okay, hope you have understood the basic concept of scientific notation. Thank you.